Hello students, so in this question we have to write shaded portions as fraction, fine, and we have to arrange them in ascending and descending order using the correct sign of less than, equal to or greater than between the fractions. So we have been given two questions A and B, and in the C part we have to show that these fractions we have to show on the number line, and also we have to put appropriate sign between the fractions that are given below, fine. So let us solve this problem. So for the first part, for the A part, let me write the A part here. Fine. So in A part, we have to divide the number of the shaded portions in the circle by total number of divisions obtained to the required fraction. Fine. So in the first part, the circle has total number of 8 divisions, out of which 3 are shaded. Fine. So for the first one, the fraction would be 3 by 8. For the second figure, every figure has 8 segments only, divided into 8 divisions. In the second part, 6 are shaded, so 6 by 8. In the third part, number of shaded are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 are shaded, so 4 by 8. And in the last part, only one part is shaded, so we will write 1 by 8. Fine. Now for the B part of the question, the fractions we have been given here, so denominator is same, we have to arrange them in the ascending and descending order. Fine. So the first one, if we arrange them in ascending order, so firstly we would have 1 by 8, then 3 by 8, then 4 by 8, and lastly 6 by 8. We have been also said to arrange them in descending order too. So for the descending order, it will be, firstly we would have 6 by 8, then 4 by 8, 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. Fine. Now let's move to the second part of our question, the B part. So in the B part, this square, it is divided into 9 blocks. Fine. So this is divided into 9 blocks, and in the first 8 blocks are shaded, so 8 by 9 will be the fraction. For the second block, 4 are shaded, so 4 by 9. For the third block, 3 are shaded, so 3 by 9. And for the last part, we have 6 shaded, so 6 by 9. In this also we have to mention the ascending and descending order. So let us write first ascending. So in ascending order, firstly we would have 3 by 9, then we will have 4 by 9, then 6 by 9, then 8 by 9. In the descending order, 8 by 9, which is the greatest, then 6 by 9, which is greater than 4 by 9, and the smallest is 3 by 9. So we have solved the first two part of the questions, and now let's solve the third part of the question. So what is asked in the third part? We have been given 4 fractions, and which are 2 by 4, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6. Fine. The first one is not 2 by 4, it is 2 by 6. Fine. So let us draw it on the number line. Fine. Starting from, let's say this is the number line. If we are starting from 0 and this is 1 and this is 2, these all four lines, they lie between 0 to 2. Fine. So this will be, first one is 1 by 6, second one is our required one, which is 2 by 6. Fine. Third one is 3 by 6, fourth one is 4 by 6, which is a required one, fifth one is 5 by 6, and 1 can be written as 6 by 6, which is equal to 1 only. Then we would have 7 by 6, then this one will be 8 by 6, then 9 by 6 we will have, 10 by 6 we will have, 11 by 6 we will have, and 12 by 6, which is equal to 2 only. Fine, in the simplest form. Now let us put the sign of the problems which we were given to do. So we were having 5 by 6 and 2 by 6. So from the number line, on comparing, the number which is on the right side is greater than that of the left side. Fine. So here it is clearly seen that 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. Fine. Similarly, we were having 3 by 6 and 0. So in this case, 3 by 6 is greater. Then we were having 1 by 6 and 6 by 6, in which 6 by 6 is greater. In the last part, we were having 8 by 6 and 5 by 6, in which 8 by 6 is our greater number. Fine. So for solving this question, we use the concept of fractions, comparing fractions, and number line. Fine. So I hope you understood this question, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.